All right, we're gonna try this. We're gonna try and video the old Dodge going through the driveway on the way up here so we can see the branches and everything. Please forgive me, I don't have a stand, so or a mount for this. I'm just kind of holding it while I'm driving down the road here and trying not to look through the screen. Just trying to watch basically where I'm going. And yeah, the Dodge has got a heavy suspension on it. With all the modifications done to the suspension, it's capable of hauling roughly 4 tons. So yeah, it's a little bit of a rough ride. Anybody that's ever been on a forklift without any suspension, yeah, it's about what this truck rides like. And oh well, here you can see they have cleared down the branches and the trees I was talking about that were hanging out over the road. Somebody has done this since Friday. A lot of trees that were just hanging over the road. And yeah, it was about right back there. I don't think I got it on the camera, damn it, I'm sorry. But there was a big limb that was hanging over. And then you got this thing right here, which yeah, if the camper was a little higher, it would be a squeeze to get through here. And then right up here you got a nice little branch. It's not that big, but again, especially if you got the old style slide-in campers that have a bunk with a window on it. This little guy right here, yeah, he's right about even with the top of the camper. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's really not that high up from the camper. Matter of fact, yeah, I can hear it brushing the top. All right, that's it. I'll try and put this stuff together in a suitable manner and see what this one looked like. And next time you see this, yeah, I'll be home. And you all take care. Thank you and have a good day.